Hey guys, I'm Lulu. Welcome back to the channel. Is it safe to run 15mm wheel spacers on Mercedes? The lightweight plus of bonus wheel spacers means that the hollow design is further optimized on the basis of the traditional wheel spacers. Compared with the previous generation products, the weight is reduced by 20%. The reducing unsprung weight helps the vehicle suspension system work more effectively. BONOSS manufacturer produced wheel spacers are made of high-grade forged 6061 T6 aluminum alloy, which features many desirable properties, such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent toughness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal performs good mechanical properties. Compared with ordinary aluminum alloy 6061 materials, the tensile strength and yield strength are about 3 times higher. BONOSS wheel spacers provide higher performance, more additional functions, faster customized service, which is your best choice. So that's all for today's video. If you have any questions about this 15mm wheel spacers for Mercedes, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.